Hello again, welcome back to my channel, Adji's Out and About, the upcoming channel for all things out and about. Today I've come to the Sandwell RSPB Nature Reserve, so let's check it out and see what it's all about. Well, we're a couple of minutes into our walk. That's where I started, up at that bridge up there. But we're right next to, I think it's the River Tame. So over there we've got the railway lines and heading into West Bromwich over there. We're going to follow this path down. It's a place where I used to come quite a bit years ago with my mum and dad. When we were very poor, this is where we would come for a day out. So yeah, let's revisit it so you can bring back a little bit of nostalgia. There we go, we just had a train. Running over the old train bridge. Me and my brothers used to climb up that years ago. So yeah, now we're right next to the River Tame. So it's been a few years since I've been down here. The river is looking quite swollen. But we are nearly at the lake now. Yeah, you can see how high the water is. Oh, just missed another train. Took me by surprise, that did. Well, let's head up towards the lake. Now, one thing that's been quite disappointing is I've walked like near enough the entire length of this side of the lake, and since my last visit here, all these sapling trees or whatever you want to call them have reared up and blocked the view of the lake. You used to be able to get quite a good view off here, which is quite disappointing. I know around the other side we'll be able to see a lot more, but from this side it's quite disappointing. You know, you can just see the water through them, but can't get no good clear shots. So we'll see what we can do around the other side. We're getting our first view of the wetlands now. This is just a shallow part of it. But we're right next to the RSPB Nature Centre. So I've already seen a lot of birds here, and a lot of squirrels. So let's have a look at the Nature Centre. So this is the Nature Centre, guys. This one replaced the old one that was burnt down. I've just had a lovely chat with Edwina from the RSPB. She showed me around the outside of the building at the visitor centre. I didn't really want to film very much there because you had a lot of people in the windows and so on. She showed me the bird feeders. She had numerous wild birds and rats. A lot of rats coming up for the food as well. But wherever there's food, there's going to be a rat, isn't there? So we've come right by the River Tame again. We're hoping to see a bit of this lake in a minute. There you are, guys. I bet you thought I was lying, but I wasn't lying. There is a lake. It is quite a big lake, as you see. You've got to be able to actually see it. You know, there's so much, do you call it, overgrowth, undergrowth, whatever, all around the side of the lake that it's very hard to see now. But yeah, there it is. I'll see if I can get some more better shots in a minute. And now we can see even more of the lake and the hide, which is currently closed. Was hoping so we'd get to have a look at it, but it's shut. But yeah, the lake goes on even further than that. Goes round the bend over there. It's another nice place to come for a walk. So that's the visitor centre on the hill. The hide in front. And the mud flats, if you want to call them that. That's obviously a direction that I'll come. So yeah, it's a good place for a walk, guys. Definitely recommend it. Once you get down by the water's edge now, lots of swans, mallards, Canada geese, Canadian geese. So that's where he was when we was looking out, right over there. So you can see how large it actually is. It goes all the way back down there. We're just having a rest. Right guys, that's been the Forge Lake, Sandwell RSPB, the bird sanctuary anyway. Very good place if you want to come and see, you know, your wild birds and so on. And it's good scenery here. So yeah, I'll definitely recommend it. Probably take you about an hour to get round. Yeah, it's a nice place to come. So remember, if you like my content, please like and subscribe. The usual. So if you do like it, yeah, please subscribe. And thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.